This decision isn't just reckless, it's reprehensible. It's not what New Yorkers want. And we should have the right of determination of what we want to do in terms of our gun laws in our state.
All right, there's a lot of debate and questions surrounding the Supreme Court's decision on New York's gun law. What will it mean for gun owners and everyday citizens? Our Andrew Engers in Mineola's got that part of the story. Andrew, big announcement today.
Doug, to get a handgun here on Long Island, you need to apply for a permit at your local police department, like here at the Nassau County Police Department. And that included applying for a concealed carry permit as well. But now that the Supreme Court has struck down New York State's restrictive concealed carry law, things here are going to be changing.
This law will do nothing to reduce gun violence. It will do nothing to keep people safer.
Paul Guttenberg lost his 14-year-old niece, Jamie, in the Parkland High School mass shooting. Since then, he's worked to promote safe gun legislation. However, with the Supreme Court's decision striking down New York's restrictive concealed carry law, he worries about more people walking around with guns on the street.
The outcome, without compromise, will be more gun violence.
New York's law restricted carrying a handgun outside of a home unless the owner demonstrated a particular need for that weapon. Lenny DeSalvo says he met that criteria when he worked for a jewelry store many years ago. He's pleased that the court has made it easier for people to defend themselves legally.
To me, it's something where people take a second thought to go and mug somebody or do something where, hey, this guy might have a gun to pull out on me.
At Coliseum Gun Traders in Uniondale, the phone was ringing off the hook with gun owners asking store employees about the court's decision. Owner Andy Chernoff is awaiting New York State's interpretation of the decision, but doesn't believe this will increase crime or shootings.
The people who have licenses at this point, this is changing the scope of their license. That's what it's doing.
State and Long Island officials say they are still going through the court's 135-page decision to formulate a response. But some constitutional law scholars point out the court has left states and municipalities some room to limit owners from carrying concealed weapons in so-called sensitive areas.
Does this mean stadiums, arenas, subways, trains? Does it mean hospitals?
Now, state and local officials are working on those issues right now, but the big question that many gun owners have is, can gun owners legally conceal carry on the streets right now? Well, the rules are kind of in flux right now and it's not very clear. However, we are told that officials will make the very clear rules public relatively soon. For now, we're just going to have to wait and see. We're in Mineola. Andrew Enger, News 12, Long Island.